Would you like to see the inside of this condo? A beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo here on the first floor in Sunrise Lakes? Let's go inside and take a look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the camera around, just like that, and we're gonna walk through the front door, just as if you were standing with me and I was showing you the property in person. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, we're gonna walk right through and show you the entire property with one take. Let's go inside and take a look. All right, now we're gonna walk right into the property, which is located conveniently on the first floor. And as soon as you walk in, you have a storage closet on your right-hand side, and that is the AC and water heater closet. And to the left, you have this beautifully updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances. You have a nice big sink and an updated faucet. And a nice pass-through window to the dining area. So let's go take a look at that area now. And here's the room with the AC and water heater. You have a nice, large living dining area. And like at the end, you have the pass-through so you can see the kitchen from a different angle. Nice living and dining area. A lot of space. So we're going to walk to the first bedroom up front. Guest room, den, office, whatever you want to use it for. But it's a nice size room with a large walk-in closet with a lot of storage space in here. And then there's the guest bath with a tub, shower, and an updated vanity. And then we'll walk back to the master bedroom. This is the master. And right out the window is a view of the community pool. Master bath has dual sinks and a shower stall, and behind this door you have storage, a little linen closet, and there's also a walk-in closet in the master as well. So there's your master bedroom. Walk out. There's your front door, kitchen, dining, living area. And let's not forget the patio, which also has a view. I opened the shades earlier so you can see the community pool is right there. So you walk out this door and you go right to the pool. And there you have it. If you found value in this property, or actually in this video, give me a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe. I'm Stephen Engasser with eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com. My number is on the bottom of the screen, 954-551-1987. Well, right now I'm standing next to the main clubhouse here at Sunrise Lakes Phase 1, and I'm on this beautiful lake right behind me. So inside this clubhouse, they have a beautiful, large auditorium with a stage where they have movies, shows, all sorts of entertainment in there. There's also a fitness center, the community pool, and the property management is also on site for Campbell Property Management. So if you'd like to see this property or others like it, give me the call right here on the bottom of the screen, 954-551-1987. I'm Stephen Engasser with eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com.